Pubg Lite for PC is now available as open beta, but unfortunately it's only available for Thailand. Pubg Lite for PC was already there, but it had different name initially, which was Pubg Project Thai. And as the name suggests, it was only for Thailand, and the main feature of this game was that you can run this game in low hardware configuration systems and you don't need graphics card as well to run this game. And today in this video, we will show you how to download and play this game right now even if you're not in Thailand. And don't forget to check the link to our website where we have a detailed guide about how to download and play Pubg Lite. Now coming back to the video, there are few prerequisites in order to download and play Pubg Lite. First, you need a VPN software for your Windows PC, and you can use any software which allows you to connect to Thailand server. I'll be using NordVPN here and it's a paid version. So the first step is to go to the website lite.pubg.com and use Google Chrome so that you can translate the page from Thai to English. Here, click download, then it will show you the minimum PC requirement. You can see that it can run on PCs with as low as 4GB RAM with no graphics card. The reason for that is that the Pubg mobile emulator takes most of the computer resources, and then when you play the game, it doesn't perform that well in low hardware config system. And in the case of Pubg Lite, there is no emulator involved, hence it doesn't require high spec system. Now on this page, click download again. It will start downloading a client which is approximately 60 MB. Let it download. Meanwhile, let's guide you how to create your ID, and to play Pubg Lite you would need one. On the top right you will see apply for ID. Click on it and register with your details. You will also get a confirmation email, so make sure you put your correct email address. So we have downloaded the client. Now before you install the client, you need to connect to Thai server using VPN. Now once you install the client, you'll have to log in with your ID and password which you have just created. After that, it will ask you to download the game. The size of the game is 1.9 GB and this can only be downloaded on Thai VPN server, so it will be little slow as compared to your regular internet download. For me, it took around 3 hours. Once downloaded, before you open the game, there is one more thing you need to do is you need to change the time zone of your computer to Thailand time zone. If you don't do this, it will show you that the game is not available in your region even if you are connected through VPN. So here we have the Pubg Lite for PC. The game as of now is in beta and free. I'm not sure if it will be free once launched, but hopefully it will be free similar to the mobile game. I will be playing in high graphics, and here is the gameplay for you. You have the similar controls which you have in the Pubg PC, and it doesn't support auto pickup items. Instead, you need to drag and drop items or press the F key to pick up an item. There were few issues I have faced while playing this game. First is the ping, as I'm playing this game over VPN, so I noticed some lag. But there is this trick by which I got perfect ping. So what you need to do, as soon as you are in the lobby, disconnect yourself from the VPN server. And after that, you will notice that the gameplay is buttery smooth with low ping. About the gameplay, we only have one map available at the moment, that is Erengil, and Miramar and other maps will be coming soon. There is no arcade mode and you have only classic mode and training mode. So if you play Pubg mobile version, you know that it shows you footsteps and gunshots marks on the map. Here it doesn't show you footsteps, but you can see the gunshot direction like the mobile version. I have tried playing Pubg PC version and I couldn't kill even one. It was so difficult for me. But in this Lite version, most of the players who are playing this game are switching over the mobile or emulator version, and it's comparatively easier than the PC version. I will be playing more of this in the next few days, and will also try to make a comparison video between the Pubg mobile emulator and the Pubg Lite, so stay tuned for that. So that's it guys, this was the installation guide of Pubg Lite PC version. Let us know if you like this video, and also tell us if you're playing this game and what you like about this game in the comment section below.